Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Break Time. Another parts haul here. I just can't help myself with these. They are addictive and I bought that cup the other day and I got some stuff from Bricklink again. I don't know, I love buying parts. I don't really need them, but once I start loading up my shopping cart, I just can't stop, and same with that pab cup. In the box is from Bricks and Pieces from the Lego store online, and they had the special VIP thing. You get that free rabbit and this VIP Chinese New Year set. And there's a little bunny in there. There's so many cute parts in this little bag, and I thought that was great to get it with my parts to make it more worthwhile. So they gave it to me in one big jumbo bag, which I'm not happy about because that's going to take me a long time to sort out. Normally they give it to you in a few separate bags, but this time I got it in this one bag and it's so frustrating. But anyway, I can't wait to see what I ordered because I have forgotten because it took so long to get. So when was it? 16th of January I ordered it from the Pick a Brick thing online. And what I ordered there, some of those curved plates. So 10 of those for $1.10. You know, a few mini fig helmets, hair pieces, parts. And you know, 100 of those, there's $10. And then look how many pages. So it slowly adds up and it gets really expensive. $245. Holy dooly. I could have bought a huge set for $245, but I just spent it on parts. I know AFOLs always have this problem. Once you start, you can't stop once you load up. And I got these 3-leaf pieces. I love those. I got a few of these pictures. They're from the Hotel Modular set. Love these filigree style fences. I added them. 3-pane black windows. I just thought, why not? And what else? A Lego sign because I love printed tiles. I'm addicted to printed tiles. More of the purple leaves because I want to do something that for my elves. Some black lampposts just because. And computer parts because I might want to build an office or something. And I loved this tile with the little house on it, so it's going to go into some kids' bedrooms. A missing cat poster thing, which I love, and my cat's having a look. And no, it's not you, Mickey, you're not missing. Love this hooded piece. I thought that would be good for my elves as well, because I don't think I have one of them. A turkey, just because you got to buy a turkey when you're doing an online order if they have one. And this, the telephone part. I don't have well, I do have it. I haven't opened my hotel yet, but I loved that, so I bought quite a few of them. The dog, my cat bit my dog, so it's got all chew marks on it, so I thought I'd better buy that husky dog. What else have I got? Lots of those tiles. And something more, lots of rats I bought, because I find these are just so cute. I love cute little things and little animals. I added some more of the white flowers because I really like them. And some donuts. Who doesn't love a donut? See, again, printed tiles. And I added some more biggies because these are gorgeous. I might make a farm one day, or someone might just have a pet pig. The little bunny rabbit there. What else have I got? I'm picking out something. Oh, more of these leaves. I love these. So I bought them in those colours, the white and the gold for decorations on buildings. A little lamb, another cute little animal. These black filigree style parts because I wanted to. A skull because I have lots of skeletons with no heads, so I thought I'll buy that. And a typewriter. I got excited about that. So for some mocks. and gold candlestick pieces. These brown masonry bricks. I didn't have this colour because I only got that nougat colour. Blue transparent windows there. I thought, why not get another honeycomb bee printed tile? And these globes. I only had one with my Belle storybook, so I thought I'll buy a few of them because they'll look nice in someone's bedroom or an office setting. The newspaper printed tile. Donut thief still hungry. I still haven't built my police station, so I need to do that, and I thought I'll get that printed tile. The 3 candlestick holder thing. Love these teacups or beer mugs, and I have no idea why I ordered these pumpkin bits in that dark tan colour. I don't know, I forgot what was going through my mind when I ordered them. What else I've got? Oh, the glass window pieces. Hang on, let me grab it. I don't know why I ordered this one. I didn't need any more. I think I thought it was the 1x3x3 transparent glass pane for the new style windows. I think that's why. And these bits, like with the little straw bit in green, I thought that would be good for plants when you do like a vase or something. What else is in here? Oh, the 2x5 brick. That one was a bit scratched. And look, little baby head. I thought, why not get the little baby head if they're selling it? And I got to find its body. It is somewhere in there. And it was very expensive. I think that baby cost me almost $6. I'm trying to find it. It will be in there somewhere. Oh, this egg piece. I loved that egg splat. I haven't got one of those. Oh, there's the minifigure head. $2.45 for the baby head. Where's the... Oh, you see, $3.55 for its body. So it was almost $6. And what was I pointing to there? Oh, look, I had to get an axe. I haven't got an axe like this yet, so I thought, why not buy an axe? A baseball bat. We need baseball bats. No, I wanted to get it for my minifigs. I had to buy a baby. Who doesn't love these babies? They're just so cute. Okay, so what have I got here? What am I pointing at? I want to show you something. Oh, the egg. How much the egg cost? $2.18 for one egg. The cups were $5. See, so it does add up. Anyway, this Pab cup, it wasn't very interesting at the Lego store when I went. Every time I go there, I thought, I need to get a Pab cup. They did have these blue flowers, which I really liked, because they hardly ever have flowers. And the transparent black window glass. These arches I'll use for decorations on my buildings, and nothing really exciting there. This here is a Bricklink order, and it is Bricklink order number, I forgot. It'll be like order number 100. So I love buying stickers, but these were from a troll set. And I actually thought they were a lot smaller, but they were only 28 cents, so I had to get it because I'm going to use it for something. I had an idea. Ninjago stickers, that was from a Monkey Kids set. I had to buy more stickers for the friends because bathrooms and mirrors, and I liked those stickers from the hotel. I'm addicted to buying stickers. And I bought this one from a Harry Potter set because I'm planning on building Crazy Cat Lady House one day and she needs lots of cat pictures. I bought another one sticker for Nova's room and Leanne's room because I really liked those. These are from the Friends Cubes, which were around a few years ago. I liked them and they were cheap, that's why I got them. They were like 40 or 50 cents, so why not? And then this for a gym, because I'm planning on making a gym one day. I don't go to the gym, but I'm planning on building one. Taco truck and these. Now I ordered these stickers on eBay, so they are for vending machines. So in one of my mocks I put in a vending machine, and this one's got like M&Ms and Havaiana thongs and what is it, pizza. So they're going to go into my city one day when I'm build more vending machines, and I'm planning on doing a KFC one day, and a Macca's, McDonald's, Subway. I bought them, they didn't cost too much, I thought why not. And I want to rebuild my toy shop. I might make it into a Toys R Us, I don't know. And some FedEx Express. And these are my Bricklink parts. Now this is Santiago from a swimming pool set which I didn't buy. More of these studded tiles, jumper plates, and in here 3 window panes in the Azure, I liked them, and the curved transparent parts because that's going into a mock. I wonder if you can guess which mock that's going to be. More of these windows and panels because they were cheap, and I love those green viney parts, bubble gum there, and some mini doll dresses. I got Olivia's head there blowing bubbles. I bought another Nandi just because I bought one, and then lots of these. I've already stolen parts from this set because I've started my mock, so there was a lot more parts in there. And what else? Body parts. We got a naked torso there, and that's a chef from an old Italian pizzeria set thing, I think. More printed tiles, and I have no idea why I ordered these wings. They're for a minifig, but anyway. More of those posts just because I wanted to. Whenever I do a Bricklink order, I just load things into my cart. It just happens because I think it's cheap and I might need it. Just like these glasses. I don't have these yet, and I love these, what are they? They're like cocktail looking glasses. More printed tiles because I just love them. Got eggs there on noodles. More flowers and more bricks. So I will be very busy building mocks and just tidying up and sorting all these parts out. So every time I say this is going to be my last order for a while, guess what? It's not. I've got another little one on the way just for a mock that I'm doing as well. I'm very busy with finishing off mocks. I got quite a few, so stay tuned. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building, and get creative.